Hello, my little ones. R rat, R rabbit, R rose, R ring. S sun, S strawberry, S sheep, S snake. Tit target, Tit tree. U utensil, U umbrella.
Start from red line. Make a slanting line. Touch the blue line. Turn, move up back to the red line. Turn and touch the middle line. Now from here make a slanting line. Touch the blue line and finish with slight upward curve. Okay, clear? Now let's see again. Okay, clear beta? Now next S, capital cursive S. S sound is S. From third line, move up, make a slanting line. Touch the red line, turn, make a small knot and touch the blue line. Slide down to the third line. Turn, cross the line and finish with slightly inward curve. Okay, clear? Now see again. Okay, clear? Now kids, next is T. T sound is T. T sound is T. But a capital T similar to capital F. Same way from between the first and second line. Turn up to the red line. Make a small wavy line. Touch the red line, come down. Make a slanting line. Touch the third line. Turn and finish with slight upward. Clear? See again. Now next is U. U sound is A. U sound is A. U says A. Now we will start from second line. Make a slanting line. Move up to the red line. Turn, come down to the third line. Again move up to the red line. Touch, come down on the same line and touch the third line and finish with slight upward turn. Clear beta? Now see again. Okay, clear. Bye bye.